Right, today's task is get rid some stuff what we never gonna need again, or just make some room to start. Nah. Oh, that's cute. A little kettle. Looks a little corroded. I don't think I'm gonna keep it. The cushions I'm gonna take home. You see the station inside. Clean it up, dry it out. See what happens. Still, everything's so good. We're gonna keep the things to like use as a template to cut a new one. So yeah. Oops. Oh, this one. I'm guessing so. Maybe there. What's this? Whoa, big boy. Need it? Nah. Teacups, coffee. Wow, that's a can. Oops. Oh, beans, dry beans. Light. No. Pardon. Right, this gone. That's gone. Looks like still some water here. A lot. What's this? That's from the toilet. We're gonna remove all the through holes what we don't need anymore. There's another one there. Yes, what's this? Support. I'm guessing some kind of, I don't know, stop going in, but let me see. So, some more floorboards. See some weight in there. It's a ballast. Interesting. Two pieces. Let's see what's in there. is just thin plywood. That's alright. So I'm guessing this, well, this plate there is the mast, holding mast. It's a joke. Yay? Oh nay. Spanner, maybe. I think this is the handle for the mast. I think the things like what we're gonna keep it here. Just keep them about there. Scissors. Ah, too rusty. Another kettle. Maybe. Sweeping brush. Keep. Yeah. Some pots. Don't need. And a frying pan. Don't need. Pots. Scour. Don't need. Actually gonna keep it just in case we clean it. Ooh, little wheel. What for? Not sure. Maybe important. Little tray. I'm gonna keep it, just help to sort things out. In the screws. Right. The sink. Okay. Fishing weight. Don't need. Fishing stuff lighter. Don't need. Some bungee. Don't need. Get back. Keep it. Gas cooker. Right, drawer of goodies. Not fishing. Don't need. All the knives. Recycle. There's a cutlery. Yeah, we can reuse that somehow. Also, I think it's frying pan holder. Massive chisel. I'm gonna keep that as a tool. Yeah. Things like this. Okay. Right. Steps. Don't think I'm gonna need them. This takes stupid place in here. There's no grinding gonna go in. Sorry. Out. Stick. Now. More ply. No need. Right. It's empty down there. take this out of the way. And yeah, let's see. There's floors. Look at this. Let's go on the bottom. Nice. So another sail. Gas tank. This. And this. Okay. Voila. Interesting. What is the box? So, and now we clear the brambles. I hate gardening. And next job, I want to lift the boat and put on some pallets or something on wood. Make a little bit more clearance from the ground. And yeah, we'll see. So I decided don't put her on a pallet because it's a little bit too much. The ground is uneven, but instead I'm gonna put on the wood there and the other side. And after the ground stop getting on. So I've managed to lift that quite well, but I think that if I decide put on better get crane, it's too much hassle, but manage her balance like this on a piece of wood. Massive heavy boat, one hand. So I managed putting some wood there and the rudder. I think it's be alright. It's a little bit off the ground, so I can close the inspection and a little bit level, but without usually leaning one way back. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, press subscribe and advice, leave the comment below. See you next time.